Hello everyone, in this second video of our course we are going to do structure import in our Material Studio project. There are two ways. One is directly from the library of Material Studio, go to import and then structures. Now you can search your structure here, like I'm going to do ZNO structure, and here is the structure file. Just double click and import it. Maximize it, right click, and you can rotate the structure and visualize it in 3D. This is just lines here in different colors. So let's change the display style. Right click and go to display style. Here you can choose a number of ways like ball and stick and CPK. You can change ball radius, stick radius to visualize it even better. Go to labels, element symbol, apply, and now you can see the element symbol on every atom. So this is one way to do the structure import. If you can't find a structure in Material Studio on library, you can come to this website here. This is called Materials Project. Go to Google, type Materials Project, and the first link is on this website, Materials Project. Come here, log in with your Google account, and then click Start Exploring. Now you have to choose the name of elements that should be present in your structure. So search. Now you can see there are a lot of ZNO structures here with different crystal system, different band gap, different space groups. So you have to be very specific what structure you are going to need. So let's go to Material Studio again to check what structure we already have imported. Let's go to symmetry system, and here's the information is not given about the structure. Go to lattice 3D. Now here you see it's space centered cubic, and come here again. So this is cubic and space group is F43. This is space centered cubic. So click in the name, and now you can visualize the structure directly here. Then left click and rotate the structure and visualize it here. If you want to export this structure, click on this button. CIF Symmetry is the best suited structure file for Material Studio project. So the downloaded file is in download folder. You can just open the downloads folder and drag this file into your Material Studio, and here it is. It's the same thing. Just go to display style, choose ball and stick with the same radius like 0.1 and 0.5. Now you don't see the bonds here. If that's the case, click on this button and the bond will appear here. So now you can see this is the exactly same structure in both cases. This is structure is imported from Material Studio on library, and another one is from Material Project. It's the same thing. In the next video, we are going to see how we can modify the structure according to our own need. Thank you.